Hey, are you looking for the best hydraulic pedal assembly on the market today? Something made in the USA and is built with top quality parts? Well, stay tuned. Welcome to the Dan's Performance Parts YouTube channel. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos, and feel free to leave a comment below. Dan's Performance Parts is proud to offer Jamar's hydraulic buggy pedal assemblies. These pedal assemblies are built on a solid foundation by machining a solid chunk of 60-61 T6 billet aluminum to create the main frame that everything is connected to. They feature high-grade, quality hardware that connects the jig-built chrome-plated brake and clutch pedals to the assemblies. Next comes the star of the show, the billet aluminum master cylinders. These master cylinders are machined from a solid piece of 60-61 T6 aluminum and are hard anodized to keep the bore wear down to a minimum. The master cylinders have a built-in deep wall reservoir, as well as a billet aluminum lid with a screw-on easy fill cap for easy maintenance. Master cylinder bore sizes come in 11/16, 5/8, 3/4 or 7/8 inch bores to operate most calipers and wheel cylinder sizes. For the hydraulic line connection, it will take a 1/8 inch NPT fitting on the end of the master cylinder. These pedal assemblies are available with either a separate billet aluminum throttle pedal or an attached chrome-plated throttle arm with an aluminum roller. Jamar buggy pedal assemblies will be paired with their billet aluminum slave cylinder to complete the package. So whether you are looking to replace an older pedal assembly or you're just looking for the best pedal assembly for that new build, these Jamar pedal assemblies would be an excellent choice. Be sure to check out the Jamar pedal assemblies we offer at the links listed in the description below. Thanks for watching the Dan's Performance Parts YouTube channel. Please be sure to check out our site at dansperformanceparts.com for our complete line of vintage air-cooled VW parts and accessories. Our specialty is geared towards the Manx-style fiberglass dune buggy, sand rails, Baja bugs, Dragon Street performance cars, as well as kit car vehicles too. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, and please do us a favor by hitting that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of our new product releases or how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you real soon.